Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the way we create content, AI-powered tools for designing stunning YouTube studio images. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these AI tools can help you craft eye-catching visuals that make your channel stand out. Stick around as we explore the best options and how to use them to take your thumbnails and studio designs to the next level. Let's get started. First off, all the thing is to do is open your Google Chrome browser. And then into the search button. You can search also Leonardo AI. After search Leonardo AI, and then you can open AI tool Leonardo. Click here viewers. After it, you can sing up and this tool will be opened. This AI tool gives many features. In this AI, you can generate images and lot of videos. Make it animation. You can click also image creation. After this, Leonardo AI gives many features. Here you can select the image size that you want to generate image. I also make YouTube video background image 16:9. After this, I simply paste a prompt that I was written to generate YouTube studio image to use in the video that I also give this prompt into the description that you can check the description and simply copy it and paste here viewers. After paste the prompt that I was given into the description, you can click to generate that you cannot made this mistake. Into the description prompt, a space is left into the brackets. You can written your name in it to generate your video background studio image. Hello viewers, please subscribe this channel to more updates about AI information. Please support this channel for me. Any problem you can tell me into the comment box. You can do every editing like me or YouTube studio. Image will be ready. You can click the video and it lower side a download button is given. You can click in your image will be download. If you want some changes in it, you can change prompt simply and it will change your image. This AI tool is totally free to use.